Alright, so you're welcome to this class. We are going to be learning how you can create a foreign bank account that you'll be using to receive your payments on the Amazon platform. Now remember that we already discussed some of the options that we have available that can help us to get a foreign bank account, and for the purpose of this class we're going to be working with gray.co. So gray.co is the option that we're going to be using to create our foreign bank account that would then add to our KDP account in order to begin the process. So to start that, you just need to go open your browser, and then you will type right in there gray.co, grey.co. So that's the website we're going to be using for the purpose. And now when that opens up, you see that we have two options here, the one for businesses and then the one for individuals. So we're going to work with the one for individuals. We have the option to log in and then the option to get started. So here we're going to, of course, we can also select our country. We have options, a few countries there, Kenya, Tanzania are there that we can sign up in. But of course, we're in Nigeria, and you see that it was able to show us Nigeria. So now we're going to click on Get Started for free, and then we'll allow that to roll as we follow all the instructions and do all that needs to be done. Great. So now that this has opened up, you see we have an option there to pick a country. And for us, if you're in Nigeria, you already know that this is Nigeria you're going to pick. We have a list of other countries there also, but Nigeria is the one we're going to pick. And then we'll click on Continue. And then once it opens up on Continue, we see the option there to put in our legal names. Now, do make sure that the names you are putting here correspond to that which you have on your identity card that you're going to be using for verification. So don't just pick a name. You can say I'm putting in my own name right there, and then you can choose your gender. And after that, you will put in your email. So a male, and I've chosen a mail for that purpose. And then I'm going to put in an email right there that I'll be using to receive a code that will be sent to me after I've gone through all of that. When you're done with that, the next thing you need to put in your phone number. So just make sure that everything is okay. And once your phone number is there, you can click on Continue. And they will now prompt you to create a password. Now make sure that you make a very strong password. And what I recommend is always always get a password that, of course, you can remember, that is very strong, and then write it somewhere. Sometimes you can easily forget stuff like this. So get a notebook, get your strong password, and then do that. And you can click on Continue after you have done that. Now the code is going to be sent to your email, the email that you put right there. So you just need to go back to your email and then locate that, and you will input the code right here. So I've gotten my code, and I'm going to input it right there to be able to verify my account. So once you do that, click on Verify. Great. So you can see that they're asking us what we want to do with Gray. And we have several options there: send money abroad, save, get a virtual card to be making an online payment and stuff like that. So all those options we have available for this. With the option of want to get a foreign bank account where we'll be receiving our payments. Great. So now our account has been created, and that is how simple it is for you to create your Gray account step by step. So that is done.